Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a very nice truck, and this is going to be a color drawing. But first I need to draw the outlines. Let's do the body. As you know, the rules of perspective, this is used here. So the things which is near to us, those things are going to look bigger, and the things which is distance from us, those things are going to look smaller. So the things at far or at a distance are going to look smaller, and the things which are near at us, those are going to look bigger. This is the basic rule for the perspectives. For a nice drawing, let's draw the outlines in the beginning. Okay, all right, let's connect these 2 points. We're going to draw another wheel. This is the rear wheel. This is the front part of the truck. This is the bumper, you can see. All right, so the other side, this will be inclined in another directions because of the perspective. This is the top, and the body, you can see, this is going to be the body or the chambers, the driving chambers, where the driver is going to sit and move this vehicle. There's a window we can see from this point, and the looking mirror window ends up here. The doorknob and the opening part of the body of the truck. All right, let's connect these 2 points, and we're going to draw the front glass of this truck. The front part is like this. We'll connect, and let's connect this with these two, and this point meet up here. In the middle, there's the exhaust system or the incoming air. You can see a vacant part, looks like this. You can put the headlights, smaller lights, also few openings here. All right, and another openings maybe you can show here. The mirror on the other side, you can see, looks like this. Okay, for the part in the back, we can draw few segments, which is going to look like this. All right, the truck is on the road, that's why we're going to draw the road and its curve at the end. So you can see that the basic outlines, it's nicely done. We are going to put the red color in the front part of the truck. So let's do the sketch with the pencils. You can see the colors of the red. All right, let's just rotate the canvas a little bit and keeps going. So you can see the front body. This is red in color. Some colors, when the company used vehicles, they make the color as a company regulations or some codes, color codes. It's like the uniform for the workers. So let's see this vehicle. This is looking good. The front part, it's almost done. All right, little more color on top. Okay, as you can see that the dark tone I'm going to put here for the bumper of the truck. And also for this front part. The another color pattern you can see. Okay, let's make this part a deeper one. All right, we're going to put the purple color for the back side. You can see. Okay, the colors here looks really amazing. This is the primary label, and few places are left. Let's put this color in the middle, and also this color in this place. Okay. Also the purple on the yellow ring of the wheels for the front and for the rear one. And finally we're going to put the black color for the tires. So you can see the colors here. This is black, okay, also this color is black too. The window panels and the glasses, those are going to be blue. And the panel here, this is going to color red. All right, for the road we can use the crayon colors to do the surface color and other stuffs. This is very easy to use to show the road. The sorry, the truck is on the road. This is winter time, the air is dry and sometimes the cold air, the wind is breezing. All right guys, so you can see the road and the truck here. These are the bent panels. Okay, the orange color we see for the headlights. The drawing is done. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please do the practice at home, and if you like, you can do multiple times. The more you practice, the more the drawing is going to be very good. Next we are going to bring more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.